Here's how to delete a Target account. First, you want to launch open any web browser. Unlike other shopping apps, Target does not have a simple delete account button hidden in the mobile app or web settings. So, on the web browser, you have to head over to target.com/guestprivacy. Now locate the option of delete my personal information. Now scroll down and fill up this form. The first one is this request is for. Now go ahead and select the recipient, either myself or someone else. Then you want to select delete your personal information and target.com account. Select that. Now enter all of these details. Enter your contact information. Start by entering your first name, then last name. Now enter your email address, then enter your phone number. Now enter the address line 1, then enter zip code, city and state. Once you have entered all of these details, tap on the submit option. Once you submit the privacy form, Target's legal and security teams will verify your identity. It typically takes up to 45 days for the system to fully scrub your data and close the portal permanently. Next method is you can simply contact the Target guest services directly. For that, you have the contact number over here. You can either contact them via call or via online chat. By following these process, you can delete a Target account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.